Well, things have turned quite a bit more active in the tropics. The eastern Pacific has been pretty active for most of the season, but here as of late, within generally the last week and a half, the Atlantic Basin has really turned on here, with Florence becoming potentially a big issue by the end of next week. The remnants of Gordon, of course, Gordon was a strong tropical storm that made landfall near the Mississippi and Alabama line 3 nights ago, and is now going to be drenching the Ohio Valley. We could be looking at a widespread area of 3 to 5 inches, maybe even some isolated 6+ inch amounts, especially out near Indianapolis. That is going to be a big concern. Of course, a number of flash flood watches have been posted, even continuing down into the Arkansas region. So the swirl is the remnants of Gordon, that area of low pressure meeting up with the stalled frontal boundary. A lot of that moisture is getting squeezed out and will continue to rain even out near the eastern seaboard as we head into the next several days. And through 7 p.m. Sunday here, could be looking at some 1 to maybe 2 or 3 inch rainfall tallies. All right, we have another system that has developed just off the western tip of Africa, looking at potential tropical cyclone 8. All of these are drifting west in a very ominous position to track across the Atlantic for the next several days. And we could be, again, watching those systems. But Florence, tropical storm as of last update, that of course down from its Category 4 hurricane status a couple of days ago. But this track also ominous as it gains strength as maybe a potential major hurricane Tuesday to Wednesday of next week. And again, note that it is nearing the eastern seaboard. Models are differentiating on the placement of that, but again, really watching that as it approaches. And then we have those 2 systems in the eastern Pacific with another wave of energy that has a 90% chance of tropical formation over a 5-day period. Pretty impressive storm with Olivia, and then that too will be tracking towards the Hawaiian Islands by the middle part of next week. Meanwhile, Norman, thankfully, is lifting north away from the Hawaiian Islands, but a lot to keep a track on.